Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own unique coloring page in Canva. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Canva application on my mobile phone. And first thing first, we have to create worksheet on our Canva. We can search for the worksheet and then you have to choose whether you want to apply portrait or landscape format. You can go to format and right here, I'm just going to select portrait. Okay, click on apply and you have to create a blank page. Click on create blank. Then you have to go to the element right here, guys. Just go to the element, and on this element you can type in whatever theme you want to have, but don't forget to add the word outline to the end. I'm just going to type butterfly outline like this, and there will be a lot of result you can choose. We can click on see all, and you can just choose the element you want to add to your page. I'm gonna go with this one, for instance. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom in, guys, and I'm going to add the flower as well. We can go to the element and just type flower, and don't forget to add the outline. And I'm going to see all the results. Okay, and I'm just going to select this one, and I'm just going to duplicate this element. We can go to copy and then paste. Okay, and I'm going to rotate it a little bit. Alright, and this is the final result, guys. Alright guys, and that's how you can create your own unique coloring page in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.